Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the company like Tata Communications, Wipro, and other important hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity, this is from the Tata Communication. They are hiring for the role of junior team member, IT operations and infrastructures, and graduates and or equivalent experience can apply. Means freshers are here for this. And whatever your roles and responsibility, you will be assisting with implementing installations are required, maintaining activities and routines, and these are the job descriptions. So if you want, you can apply. This is one the wonderful opportunity. बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट दैट इज फ्रॉम द रेजर पे दे आर हायरिंग फॉर द रोल ऑफ जूनियर एनालिस्ट रिस्क मैनेजमेंट and this is a good company. So what will your roles and responsibility? You will monitor transactions merchant to identify risk fraud, handle transaction query and other things are there. So if you have bachelor degree and have a knowledge of customer support app or CRM such as Freshdesk, then you can apply. The only thing that you should have good communication skills, and just you have to attach the resume. So apply as soon as possible before the link expire. Moving to next, that is from the Wipro. They are hiring for the role of associate, and for this the job location is Maharashtra. So especially I will suggest for 2025 student must apply for this role. Okay, there is a chance of getting reward from this company, and this will be your roles and responsibilities. So you will have to resolve the number of cases per day, and should compliance to process and quality standards. So this is non-developer profile. If you are interested, you can apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the Amazon. They are hiring for the role of associate ML data operations, Go AI operations, and they are actually hiring for the various or multiple locations. So you can check out that. So the candidate is expected to demonstrate willingness to learn or work in non-tech role for contract durations of 6 months. So this is a contractual role, and there is a strong chance of getting extension. So if you want, you can apply. You should be flexible in working night shifts, and other requirements are there. Moving to next, that is from the Symphony AI. They are hiring for the role of associate software engineer Java, and this is a remote job. For this, the locations means company located in Bangalore, and this is software engineering role. And this is a developer profile. So you will be responsible to design, develop, and maintain backend components and services using Java. Support the development and enhancement of web services applications, and you should have 1 to 2 year of hands-on experience in software development using Java. Okay, so this is the important requirements. If you want, you can apply for this. Moving to next, that is from the Deloitte. They're hiring for the role of associate analyst, cloud infrastructure, Bengaluru, and this is for a cloud role. So especially if you're interested in this, then you can apply for this role. और ये आपका रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेगा लाइक मॉनिटरिंग सर्विस नाउ डैशबोर्ड, track, log, and maintain the incidents, ensure adherence to agreed SLA, and other things are there. So if you are from BSc or BA graduates, you can apply for this role. Moving to last, so this is hiring for the role of executive Python, and for this the job location is Maharashtra. So company name is KPMG, and this is also a good hiring. So if you want, just check out the complete link in the descriptions and you can apply. Hope it is informative to you. कोई query, feel free to ask a commenter. I will be very happy to help you. And recently, important hiring that is for the Indian Army SSC Tech has been announced. If you want, you can apply for this role. मिलते हैं next job updates में. Thank you.